welcome to Consumer Connection. My name is Susan Jones, Branch Manager with Fairfax County Consumer Affairs. I have with me today Advik Atyam. He's a senior at Fairfax High School. Welcome.
Thank you.
Now summer's over and the students are back in school. For some like Advik and his friends, the work doesn't just stop at school. Advik and his friends decided to put together their tech expertise to build a tool with the mission of empowering vulnerable populations, especially older adults, against scams. Today's topic is on ScamCops. So what inspired you to start ScamCops?
Yeah, so the inspiration for ScamCops began in 8th grade. It was in the middle of quarantine. I was running a small online business. During this time, I actually did get scammed and I lost a significant amount of money. So as someone who considered themselves to be tech savvy, I just didn't imagine this could happen to me. You know, I built computers, I wrote code, and this experience got me feeling ashamed, and I felt super hesitant to talk about this. So I began to think about it, and I found out there's other people like me who have gotten scammed. But even worse, they're more vulnerable and they have a lot more money and a lot more resources. So with the lack of education and awareness, this realization drove me to start ScamCops. I built a platform to protect and educate others, especially those at a higher risk.
So how does ScamCops help prevent scams?
Yes, that's a great question. So ScamCops operates on 3 main pillars. Our 3 pillars are education, community outreach, as well as artificial intelligence or AI technology. So we provide resources such as scam quizzes and guides that educate people on recognizing scams and avoiding scams. We also have high school volunteers, 30, and we also visit community centers to offer in-person training, as well as the AI chatbot, which is open 24/7. This AI chatbot answers questions, provides scam alerts, and also can guide users if they suspect they're in a scam.
Wow. So what is your primary target audience for ScamCops?
Yeah, so while ScamCops is designed to focus on everyone, our primary focus is the senior citizens. These are the people that are most vulnerable to scam, and we also target their family and caregivers, providing them with tools and knowledge to help their loved ones. So a quick story about our target audience is that a lot of elderly people, they've actually fallen victim to scams on LinkedIn and social media. A lot of it has become for free investments, and around that, they lose a lot of money with the ideology of good money and good returns. So this, in fact, has been a big issue for grandparents as well. Same thing with the grandparent scams where people are getting fake phone calls. So our goal is to try to crack down on that and help the senior citizens as much as we can.
That's a great goal. I love it. So can you explain how the AI chatbot works?
Yeah, so users can interact with our chatbot to get information about potential scams. We can report suspicious activity, take a scam quiz to test your knowledge, and the chatbot analyzes the data provided and offers a scam confidence rate. So what it does is that it looks at key characteristics of the message you sent, so in this case a scam email, and it can help users make informed decisions to not open the email, to say it's okay, to delete it, to block the people. Our AI chatbot looks at these fine details which people may miss when looking at phishing emails, and is able to give 24/7 and personalized responses.
Okay, great. So what challenges have you faced while developing ScamCops?
Yeah, so when we're developing ScamCops, the biggest challenge for sure has been staying constant, evolving tactics of scams. So scams have been increasing sophisticatedly, and our goal is to continually update our resources and our technology to keep up. So another challenge as well is also finding people that need help the most. Senior citizens who are not tech savvy or not aware of the risk is our ideal clientele, but it's also been difficult to get in contact with these senior homes. So we've been cold calling them and emailing them, asking them if we can work. And recently, thankfully, we've been able to get in connection with a few. So we've been, we've been expanding.
People seeing this show, maybe more will be interested.
Hopefully, yeah.
Yes. So how can a community member get involved with ScamCops?
Yeah, so we made sure ScamCops is open for everyone, and any community member can get involved in several ways. So our main way is to become a volunteer through ScamCops. On our website, we have a registration as a cop portal, and they can help us run workshops, do awareness programs at local senior centers, or even just learn about scams, because when you learn about scams, you're helping the people around you, spreading awareness. And that's exactly what we're trying to do with ScamCops, just to help people expand their efforts, as well as spreading out the outreach and developing new tools.
So what excites you most about ScamCops?
Yeah, so what excites me most is just seeing the real impact we're making on people. When I hear stories about senior citizens who are able to avoid scam because of something they learned through ScamCops, it just reinforces the importance of our mission. And I'm extremely excited and happy about the potential of our chatbot. Our chatbot can basically revolutionize the way people can protect from scams. And I'm really grateful that our product has been available to people all around. And I'm happy that it's been helping all these people.
great. So, what is the biggest misconception people have about scams?
That's a great question. The biggest misconception is that people who are not tech savvy or knowledgeable can't fall victim to scams. The truth is these scammers are ahead of everyone when it comes to scams and malicious software. They are extremely sophisticated and can deceive anyone regardless of their background. That's why education and awareness is critical for everyone, and we believe that scams are not just for the elderly, but for people of all ages, of all tech expertise.
And I definitely agree with that statement. So, what's next for ScamCops?
So as ScamCops, me and my other officers, Yusuf Al-Api and David Nam, who are our research officer and social media manager, we're currently working to expand our AI capabilities and improvising and improving our outreach programs. We really want to collaborate with more community centers and schools to provide in-person training, as well as developing new resources that focus on the psychological and emotional impact about scams. So our goal is to help victims regain confidence and recover from the money that they've lost, and our goal is to expand to as many people as possible, young or old.
So how would you measure the success of ScamCops?
Success for ScamCops is not measured by the amount of people that we have using our products, but people that we've saved and educated. So our goal is to help as many people as possible, and every time we help a person recover from a scam or help the victim, it's a win for us. We track our impact through feedback from our community, the number of users that are engaging with our resources, and the effectiveness of our outreach program. With the time we spent as ScamCops, even if we help one person, we're extremely grateful and happy, and we believe that we've done our job. A single person that's avoided a scam with ScamCops, we've completed our mission. And our goal is to just help as many people as possible we can all around the world.
Sounds great. So, how can we find ScamCops?
Yeah, so you can go to our website, www.scamcops.org. We encourage everyone to take the scam quiz to assess their vulnerability to scams. ScamCops is there for you to learn the strategies to avoid and detect scams and share the knowledge with others. We hope that our AI chatbot and our helplines can help you avoid scams on a daily basis.
Well, Advik, this is great having you on Consumer Connection to learn all about ScamCops. I look forward to watching this amazing tool grow.
Thank you so much.
Now, if you have a consumer issue, please contact us at 703-222-8435. You can like us on Facebook at Fairfax County Consumer Affairs, or visit our website at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/cableconsumer. Join us next month for Consumer Connection. Enjoy your day.